Hi, hi, hi. This is going to be a trade review of yesterday's trade. So, um, I'm gonna make this quick. Had um, so 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 price action yesterday was pretty bullish on the higher time frames. Actually it was both sides. So the dollar index I think had a more of a bearish bias, and the euro had more of a bullish bias. So it was sort of both ways in this situation. So what I did was waited for the hourly time frame to confirm either of the two, right? So I got a bearish candle closure on the hourly. So what I did was went on to the 1 minute chart, looked for an SMT in line with that bearish bias, got there, took this first trade with the initial 1% risk, right? But then I was like, you know what, let me just try and now start putting this multiple take profits style into the trade. So I exited right here, which was like TP1 because it was these lows here. And then I waited for this fair value gap right here for another entry into this still bearish bias, right? Still haven't taken the hourly low here. So I was like, okay, I waited for that fair value gap to get filled, and then set a TP2 at the relative equal lows here. Price went lower, took that a take profit, and then I saw this fair value gap that could be potentially filled, so entered right there. But then when I went to the 1 hourly, because now the hourly has sort of went into the next hour's candle, I saw that it was a bullish candle closure. So I looked for price action to break even, basically. Put my TP like real low, just lost a little bit of cash before price actually reversed higher. So what I learned, and what I hope you learned from this if you're watching, is if you're going to take or like setting multiple take profits is safe and it's good, but ensure that it's still following your initial high time frame bias. And if not, then try and move the stop or your take profits to as close to a break even as you can, so you can sort of mitigate all the profits that you've already that were already made. So anyways, thank you for watching, and cheers.